Hello there, this is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky, and today I'm looking at the messages application to see what we can do with it. There's a lot of things that are kind of hidden that you don't realise you can do. For a start off, you can pin messages in the Mac now, so let's take this and put it up here and drop them into the pin area, and you can have up to 9 in this area. Okay, so as you can see, it's quite easy to set those up. Now if I want to go to one of those messages in particular, I can hold down the command key and go to number 1 or number 2. Number 3. So I'm using the command key plus a number on the keyboard to get to those there. Another thing you can do with this here is you've got replies. So what I can do with this here is I can click on one of these tap backs, or I can click on reply. So let's do a tap back first of all and do a one of those, and that clicks in and goes into the message there for your recipient. Or if I want to do a specific reply, if I tap and hold on it and then click and reply, and then you can put your reply in there. That thread will stay on the screen until you click somewhere off it and it goes back to the main thread again. And as you can see, we've got the replies down here. We could send a message effect, but you have to type something first. And now I go to message effects and it allows me to choose from whatever message I want in there. So I could have a spotlight, or I could have a gentle where it comes up like that, or we could have fireworks, celebration, lovely, or lasers. That's a nice one. Let's use that one. Oh, we get sounds as well. That'll give my mother a bit of a surprise. Emoji stickers. Obviously you can have your emoji stickers, and if you want to you can edit your emoji. So this is something you couldn't do with the Mac before, but now you can, and you can create a new one. So in this one here I've got big eyes with big eyebrows and little eyebrows, and I can change the size of my ears if I want to, so let's have smaller ears. And with the eyes I can make the eyes different too. So you can choose your colour of eyes there. So let's go for a really blue eyes and make it darker blue. And I can even change my eyelashes. Give myself some eyelashes. Lovely. Okay, so click on done there. And obviously you can change that and set it to however you want it there, and you have it masked or unmasked, whichever way you want it. Just made a new Memoji. Okay, so here's another one. We can click on this thing at the corner here. We can go to images. Let's do happy dance. I don't know what my mother's going to think of this, but still. So to get tap backs, another way of doing it, instead of clicking and holding down, what you do is do a 2-finger tap on your mouse or trackpad, and you can do with tap back. And you've also got your options to reply, delete, or show times. So the show times gives you the times of when the message was sent over on the right hand side there. So if you want to send smileys and so on, you can do it from here. And don't forget, you can also send audio messages. So with the sending an audio messages, you click and hold on that there, and whatever you're clicking and holding on it, it'll go out as an audio message. Obviously you can send photos too. So there you go, there's a few things that you can do in messages now that you didn't know that you could do before. This is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky. Talk to you again soon. Bye bye now.